So excuse, and I was like, you know what? Fuck this. Just me and my mom. Otherwise, you know, because my parents is divorced parents, so that's unfortunate. Leon, no. I was like, I thought I'm losing these pants, but actually it was on the laundry. Oh, I'm still so full at least. Come here. Come. Yeah. Why can't you hear me, man? Where's this song? No, you can't go anywhere. You can't go anywhere. You can't go. You're so cute. Why is it your business? Am I still talking to that Spanish guy or any guys? What if both? Will you be doing TikTok dances today? Yeah, I will. Just like let me digest first, okay? I just had my lunch. Why is it still... I talk to whoever I want, but for sure I'm not going on a date. I just talk. I know, you're just asking. But sometimes, you know, there's like a limit of someone's personal space, so. Melodies we haven't played. Should you go? Should I take you for a yacht boat? Yacht day? Yeah? You wanna come with me? Yeah? Should I take you? There's gonna be a lot of people who loves you. Okay? Okay? Yeah, we're going. Yeah, we're going this Sunday, baby. We're going to the yacht party. Ah. Where's Jacob? Are you watching me right now, Jacob? Jacob! I like my nails. Let me find the clothes.